In this video tutorial, I will provide you with help to remove malicious pop-ups by the site coisigna.com. Coisigna.com is a dangerous site. It now targets Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make you actually download and install some potentially unwanted software, some junk browser extensions that may hijack your browser. And therefore, be very careful. Do not install any extensions that can be promoted by means of this website. Don't trust these pop-ups by coisigna.com and leave this page. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then eliminate all other types of threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on the system. So use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully fixed. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.